As you see on the screen, when doing the provincial incorporation from British Columbia, you will pay $366.14, and I'll show you exact scenario and step-by-step process on how it is done. You will see a simple and intuitive way to complete the incorporation process in less than 20 minutes. And this is named incorporation. I want to be completely transparent with you. This video is not sponsored by Ownr and they did not pay me to make this video. However, I do have a referral link in the description and I have also pinned this in the comment section. When you click the referral link, you will land on this page where you can see this message and it says get 15% of your incorporation automatically at the time of checkout. This discount will apply if you complete the sign up within 30 days of clicking the link. When you go directly to Ownr website without the referral link, this message does not appear because it takes you to a different page which you can see here. So if you plan to use Ownr anyway, using the referral link ensures that the discount is automatically applied during checkout. If you came through the referral link, the discount will automatically appear here. You can see the promo discount reflected in the final price along with the message that says if you receive the code from an affiliate, the person referred, you may receive a reward, and that's me. If for some reason the promo code is not applied, which is rare, you can reach out to me and I will try to get this resolved with Ownr, as I have done this with few other people who experience this issue. Now let me take you through the process step by step.
Once you click on the link and you come to this page, click here and here select the province as British Columbia, click next, and then incorporation get selected. Here I want a named company. My company will be called, right now it shows requirement as distinctive and descriptive element what is required, and from this drop down you can select the one which you want. And once the company name is entered, when I have entered the company name, you can see here confirmed, the name satisfies all legal requirement and has passed preliminary naming search test. Once this is done, click next, create your account, and you can see Canadian businesses on Ownr. The number is shown here. You will enter your information, name, email, password, and confirm password, and then once you sign up this page and start filling up all this information, starting with contact detail, phone number, address, and then here you can see I have selected I am a Canadian resident, and once you hover here you can go and read more. Once this is done, click next. My company will be Provincial Canadian Corporation based in British Columbia. Then the address follows and my company will operate in, this is the drop down from where the industry will be selected. You can see the entire list and I am selecting technology, internet and software. So once that is done, company's fiscal year end date I have kept as December, and then clicking next. Earlier same thing is getting shown and clicking next. Here in the director and officers overview, company ownership, I will manage and own this company by myself is what I have selected, and then clicking next. This share and share classes automatically has been updated as 100% because I chose myself. If it is different in that case, how it looks, let me show that to you. Here since it is only one person, it shows ownership as 100%, and here in director section it shows my name, and here in the drop down it's address, email ID, phone number, all of those information is what is here. I'm not clicking on this. If it is more than one person, add new director option is here, and if you need any help you can always come here and you can chat with the Ownr support. Choose your subscription plan between basic and pro. You will make your selection. You can go over the detail and choose whichever you prefer. I am selecting the basic plan and then go with the verification, continue. Billing information page, you can see the entire breakdown, and because I clicked on the affiliate link and then came, you can see the promo discount code getting applied here, and also since I chose RBC bank account, $300 credit, which combined makes the total with RBC account $366.14. Discount applied is shown here, and here it says if you have received this code from an affiliate, they will also receive a reward, and that's me. So here you will be doing the transaction through credit card. By clicking next, you agree to open an RBC bank account within 60 days of payment. If you do not open the account, the discount will not apply and your credit card will be charged the remaining $300. So this is important, you need to be aware of. Once you get your incorporation document from Ownr, you can call up RBC on their helpline and set up an appointment for opening of bank account. So let me go to the next. Here the card details will be entered, credit card of course, and once that is done, you go ahead with the payment part by coming here on pay now. Step is to go ahead with the name reservation. Once that is done, you will finally review the document, and once review is done, submit with Ownr. Ownr will thereafter take on from there, get the process of incorporation done for you, and they will inform you when the incorporation is done. That's the entire process on Ownr. Also check out my website canadatriedandtested.com. The link will be there in the description, where in this organized link section you have everything at one place. If you want to know how to get the business number, how to apply for license and permit, payroll nil report, some of the important documentation what is required with the business, all of that I have organized at one place, and you can check that out.